If you want MSN to open automatically every time you launch Microsoft Edge, this quick setup will save you a few clicks and make your browser feel ready to go right from the start. In this short tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set MSN as your homepage in Microsoft Edge in under 1 minute. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu. From there, select Settings. On the Settings page, look for Start, Home, and New tabs and click it. Now find the section that says When Edge Starts and select Open these pages. Next, click Add a new page. In the box that appears, type https://www.msn.com and then click Add. That's it. MSN is now set to open when Edge starts. Next time you launch the browser, your homepage will load automatically. If you want more simple browser tips like this, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.